Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of WhatsApp on your PC and exploring how to send GIFs using the latest update. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open WhatsApp on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you've updated to the latest version to enjoy this new feature. Once you're in, you'll find a familiar interface that's easy to navigate. Next, navigate to your desired chat. Whether it's a group chat or a one-on-one conversation, just click on the chat where you want to share a bit of fun. Now here comes the fun part. Look for the smile face icon located at the bottom of your chat window. This icon is your gateway to all things expressive. Click on it to open up the emoji and GIF menu. Once you've pressed the smile face icon, go to the GIFs tab. You'll see a variety of popular GIFs curated just for you. This new update makes it super easy to find the perfect GIF that captures your mood or reaction. Finally, take your pick. Browse through the GIFs, and when you find one you like, simply click on it. Press on the GIF you want to send, and it will instantly populate in your chat window. All that's left to do is hit send, and voila! You've just added a splash of personality to your message. And there you have it, folks. Sending GIFs on WhatsApp through your PC is now simpler and more fun than ever. So go ahead, spice up your conversations, and let your friends enjoy the creativity you bring. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.